Could these be the best faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2023? Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. So YouTube automation and faceless channels across YouTube are changing fast. The rise of AI has seen a flood of new content hit the platform, leading to lower average CPMs and an even greater need to stand out. This means newer channels can't just pump out low-quality content and expect to get big money results. In an ideal world, you would find a new, untouched virgin niche and easily generate millions of views. But that's next to impossible now, and we all want to go where the money is, myself included. So how can you stand apart when a niche is saturated? The first thing you need to do is stop directly copying other channels. What works for them is unlikely to work for you in the same way. This wasn't a good strategy before, and it's dead in the water now. Sure, you'll get some views, but nothing to build a business around. But there are new faceless channels out there dominating in competitive niches. And I think based on the results, this could be the direction to go in for 2023. Where many creators have seen a decline in views or watered down ad revenue, these channels are growing fast, and I've noticed that even newer channels using this strategy are starting to explode. So what is it they're all doing? Well, they're creating longer form content. In a nutshell, they are doing quality over quantity. Where most of us for the last year have been pumping out 3 or more 5 to 10 minute videos each week, they have been producing just one video per week that is anything from 12 to 30 minutes long. With that said, if you are a beginner and you're doing all the content yourself, then I still think many small videos is a better idea to start with. It's the machine gun approach. Shoot out a ton of content and you're more likely to hit the target with something. Plus, you'll learn a lot faster. Then, once you have something that works, you can double down and start to improve the quality. This new long-form content strategy targets the education space and aims to produce mini documentary or essay-style videos. You take a topic, person, or theory and go deeper into it. You aren't just entertaining or answering a simple question like most viral videos. The added benefit is that if a video does well, YouTube will push it out further as the watch time will be longer than other videos in the same niche. Remember, YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching for longer. A great example of this is Magnets Media. These guys have exploded in the last year, gaining more than 400,000 subscribers in the last 6 months alone. The turning point was when they started producing well-researched videos on the history of businesses or famous business individuals. The production cost of these videos could be anything from $500 to $1,000 each. But instead of uploading 5 $100 videos, they now upload just one. And with over 5 million monthly views and 20 to 25,000 in monthly ad revenue, it's definitely starting to pay off. Another key to their long-term success here is they pick evergreen topics that people will enjoy watching for years to come. That way, even videos that underperform will gradually recoup costs over time. Another great example of this is Oversimplified. These guys create bespoke animated videos simplifying and shortening the history of different wars throughout the world. They have over 7 million subscribers and haven't uploaded a new video in over 5 months. And yet their channel is still growing fast and probably generates over $1 million in ad revenue each year. Their videos are all 20 to 40 minutes long, so each video will have multiple ads in them. Another channel that is one of the biggest faceless channels I've ever come across is In a Nutshell. This channel has over 20 million subscribers with nearly 25 million monthly views. They could be making over $2 million per year in ad revenue alone, which is insane as they only upload once a week. Now, these guys don't do the long-form content like the others, but they do produce high-quality animated videos that no one else does. Inside these videos, they break down and explain complicated questions and topics. The great thing about this strategy is that it works with smaller channels as well. The time of quantity over quality on YouTube may be coming to an end. So if you're currently uploading 2 to 3 videos per week with little in the way of results, then you may be better off focusing all of your energy and resources into one really good video each week instead. With that said, if you would like full step-by-step training on building profitable YouTube channels, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.